The quest for the newest fruit roll-ups continues.
Finally, Stimpy, it is ours! Don't you know what that means? A creation of my very own, made from my stinky sweat socks! He's gone mad! No, Ren! Yes! Yes! Look what you've done! My plan's ruined! You idiots!
It's new Nickelodeon Peel-Outs, Ren, Stimpy, Doug, and more. Nickelodeon characters now on fruit roll-ups. What fun fruit roll-ups will we roll out with next?
Imagine the perfect video store. It would have a great selection, right? Right! Over 10,000 videos. 3 evening rentals, so no rush, no hassle. Fast checkout. 24-hour quick drop return. Open late every night. Well, the perfect video store
Welcome to Blockbuster Video.
is popping up all over the country. There's one near you.
Blockbuster Video.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Do not turn off your television set or switch channels. This is for your own safety. This alert is effective for your area until further notice. Please listen to all of the instructions. At 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 15th, the United States government has received confirmed reports of a terrifying anomaly impacting the entire world. A humanoid creature, roughly 7 feet tall, has been appearing unpredictably on roads and highways. This creature is a lethal threat and will attack anyone within a 20-meter radius with a ferocity unlike anything encountered before. The creature emanates a potent, poisonous gas from its body. Inhaling this gas, what to do when you encounter it? Do not approach under any circumstances. Flee the area immediately on foot. Move at least 40 meters away in any direction. Precautions. If you are in a car, do not step out of the vehicle and go back the way you came. The creature cannot hear things. You can drive at maximum speed possible to run away from the creature. If you are in buildings or your home, go down to the basement and seal all windows and openings. Remember, the